This is how you can use Google Maps. First, if you're using a computer or a laptop, open your browser and search maps.google.com and you will enter the Google Maps page. If you're using your tablet or your phone, you can download the Google Maps app in App Store or Play Store. You can sign into your Google account before you start searching the place you want to go in Google Maps. Or if you don't want or you don't have a Google account, it's okay because you can use Google Maps without an account. So at the top left, you can see there is this one search bar. I'm going to type my destination or the place I want to go. It is Mall of Indonesia, so it will tell you the way, and I'm just going to click this directions button, and I'll be choosing a starting point, which is, for example, McDonald's. Now you can see there are dots in the map. Those dots are the direction from your place to your destination. Those dots are the way you should be taking to arrive at your destination. If the way you should be taking is in dots, that means you will be walking there. And you can choose your vehicle too. Will you be taking a public transport to go there, or will you be driving? As you can see, the directions are changing based on your vehicle or based on how you will go there. You can turn on Google Maps while driving, while taking a public transport, or while walking to your destination. If you don't want to check your phone while driving or while going to your destination in whatever transportation you're taking, you can turn on the audio to tell you which way you should take. Or if you don't want to be disturbed by the audio, you can just open Google Maps again and see yourself which way you should be taking. In the next episode, I will be showing you or telling you what other features are in Google Maps.